Today, we're driving a 2021 VW Tiguan from Volkswagen of Newport Richey. This sporty mid-size SUV is stylish and compact, perfect for taking friends along for the ride. With 29 highway miles to the gallon, it's ready for summer adventures. And now we're hitting the road to Splash Harbour Water Park in Indian Rocks Beach for some fun in the sun.
Not a bad day on the job for Taste and See Tampa Bay. We're at Splash Harbour in Indian Rocks Beach, Florida. Kind of a hidden gem of a water park right here in Tampa Bay. And this place has it all. Big slides, a lazy river, tasty cocktails, and a place to grab some sun or some shade.
Hey, my name is Brittany Bennett and welcome to Splash Harbour Water Park. Here we have our two big slides. We have the Smuggler's Run and the Pirate's Plunge. I prefer the Smuggler's Run, but you know, all the kids love the Pirate's Plunge. And then if you aren't tall enough for the height requirement, we always have our splash pad area. Little kids love it, they go crazy on it. But then you also have your pool you can just sit and relax at. Lots of excitement in the lazy river. Some people hate waiting in lines at the bigger amusement parks, but why do you have to do that when you can just come here? And just all around good vibes. So today you guys are gonna walk on up to Jim Iguana's, see a beautiful little display of a few drinks, a nice food. Today we'll be looking at a few of our awesome drinks, the Big Bamboo, the Iguana Colada, and a tropical rum bucket. We got some awesome food options, starting with the Caribbean Reptilian, the Fish Spread, and the Hogzilla.
When looking for your next car, consider the VW Tiguan from Volkswagen of Newport Richey.